Hello everyone, this is Pinaki Dasgupta from Institute of Digital and Content Marketing IDCM, and this is our session called Digital Micro Moments. And on this session we will discuss on Core Web Vitals. So today we will discuss on what is Core Web Vitals and why it is important. See, when we talk about SEO, we mostly think of keywords, backlinks, and content creations. Though there are no such alternatives of relevant content, still Google recently rolled out a new ranking signal called Core Web Vitals that mainly focuses on overall user experiences. So there are certain parameters Google will consider to measure a website's overall user experiences. So like the loading speed of the website, interactivity of the website, then visual stability, mobile friendliness, safe browsing, HTTPS, and no intrusions. So all these things are important for overall user experiences. But out of the 7 points, 3 points are most important for the user experiences. So these 3 points are called Core Web Vitals. Now, largest contentful paint or LCP. So what is it? So basically, it is the loading speed of a website. Whenever someone is clicking on a link, and after clicking on that link, when he or she landing on a page, the time it is taking to load that web page is the loading speed of that website, and it is called largest contentful paint. So as per Google, the recommended speed will be always less than or equals to 2.5 seconds. So this is very important because an increase in loading speed can impact the traffic of a website. So the second point is fast input delay. So what is this fast input delay? It is basically the interactiveness of a website. So whenever someone is coming to a website, there are certain things, certain activities an user do in the website, like choosing an option, clicking on a link, entering an email address, or filling up a form and then clicking on the button. So all these things are activities an user do in a website. So each activity takes a certain time. So as per Google, we need to minimize those times. Like whenever someone is filling up a form and clicking on the call to action button, so the time it is taking to execute the instruction is basically the interactiveness of that particular page. So there are also certain parameters like as per Google's recommendation, 100 less than equals to 100 milliseconds should be the best best loading time for fast input delay. The third point is cumulative layout shift. So cumulative layout shift is basically measures the stability of a web page. So we have experienced a lot of websites getting distorted while they are loading. Their entire alignment layouts getting distorted during this loading period. So this is a very bad user experience for an user. So if this CLS is high, that means your score is getting decreased. So the lowest CLS is 0, and the more the CLS will increase, that means the user experience is getting deteriorated. So these 3 parameters are very important for overall user experiences. So thank you.